Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Deerslayer on Lake Okeechobee on the Stryker SR-955HP. Deerslayer, got you ready to go, bud. Standard tuning alignment. We'll start with RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. 1 watt as you requested. Rolls up to 15. Show your average power swing. Hello. About 49 bird average. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 90 peak. I know you're probably going to ask. Let me roll the RF power all the way down. Is it 1 watt carrier? Hello. Still getting your 90 peak there, okay? Now obviously from a 1 watt carrier you're not going to have full average swing. It would not be clean that way, but here it is from a 1 watt carrier. Hello. 21 bird. Roll up just a little bit. Hello. 34 bird, and so forth. Alright, Deerslayer, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.